Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Priscilla up here in the bizzle, like Madam Joyce is gonna say. is Priscilla up here in the bizzle. Tell a friend to tell a friend that your favorite girl has posted, okay? Kindly subscribe, like the comments if you haven't, and if you are new here, I love you. Stick and stay with me. You already know where your girl is. You already know where your girl is.
Here, clock it.
I'm on an island, guys. I'm on an island. I'm in Seychelles. Baby. Don't play. It's good to be back in Seychelles. I love this hotel. The flight time was like 4 hours 16 minutes from Doha to Seychelles, and it was pretty short. 4 hours is actually a short flight. So I already settled in because I got to the hotel at 9:14 and breakfast ends at 10. I was hungry. I needed to come change quickly and go for breakfast. So I'm full, and the time in Seychelles now is 10:36. So yeah, I'm going to take my shower and take a nap, and let's see what Seychelles have got to offer us. 32 hours in Seychelles, a lot can be done, but I wouldn't be able to go to the beach today because the weather doesn't look good. The weather forecast says it's going to rain today, so I don't want to take chances. So I'm just going to be in the hotel, and the hotel is pretty. The hotel is pretty. They have a pool. I'm doing a water activity today. I'm going to go swimming, go kayaking, then I go for dinner. And then tomorrow in the evening, we're leaving back to Doha. But no matter the layover hours, I'm always excited to be in Seychelles. Of course, who doesn't want to be living their best life on an island? Maybe you don't, but I do. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go quickly. I have to take a nap. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. I'm a yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she might. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention. Yeah. Hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah. All of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, they be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind, let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah.
Guys, leave my bag.
I'm so sorry.
We need to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
How many views you have?
I just did it last week.
Wow. So far.
68 subscribers.
That's good.
Hi vlog.
Which phone is this?
15 Pro Max.
Hello, I have 12.
It's raining. It's raining. Oh my god, it's raining. Guys, it's raining. It's raining.
Boss is ready to go kayak. Miss Universe from Ghana.
Oh wow.
That's how you do it. It looks like she's struggling already. Not a good start.
Yeah, it has a lot of water.
First, untie this thing, huh? Untie the rope.
Let me see this side face.
Alright, let's go. The other side.
This is my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's
Say hi to the camera.
Let's pretend that it was glory. Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary.
Hi guys, I'm going for dinner. This is my outfit for dinner today.
Ghana versus South Africa.
Who will win, South Africa?
Michael Essien versus Edzabit. Alright. Looks like she has something.
University of South, yeah.
One of the special.
Okay, are you ready?
This girl looks suspicious.
Because we went for
I blocked it 3 times. Why?
She was like
Because
105.
to get rid of my points.
Is it
Grandma.
that
No,
not
no,
to get
mine
rid of? Hello.
Yeah, I'm trying to get
I'm
rid of
losing.
points so I can win.
How many cards do you have?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I'm winning.
Let's see, let's see.
You blocked me 3
I
times.
was like, I played this one.
You were there when it was the earthquake.
Uno.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. He was playing a crazy guy.
World,
That's a nice one. So, nope. Loser.
I don't have a drawing.
Let's pretend that it's a dream house. Let's pretend that it's all good vibes for once. Pretend that it's a safe place. Let's pretend that it's a safe place.
Good morning. Hi guys. Good morning. Still in Seychelles. It's 8:44 a.m. I'm actually leaving today. 32 hours. It's coming to an end very soon. I don't know if you guys can see me. It's 32 hours later. It's coming to an end very soon. So for now, I'm going to go downstairs for breakfast. Come back, take a nap. Because I'm tired. I'm exhausted. My body hurts so much from all the kayaking and laughing. It was an amazing 32 hours. Even though it rained, it was amazing. I was swimming in the rain. So yeah, I'm gonna go to breakfast now. And I'm gonna catch you guys later. I'll see you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Love you guys.
She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should baby, I think you should stay with me. If you lie with me, just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all I've been feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fatty up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road. I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love.
yeah. Hey, Amaru. Only if you're ready. Let's go. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Me no care about all the noise, but I'm digging your station. See how you got my head spinning with a body rotation. Couple of days went by, now I'm losing my patience. Go ahead, drop a pin, girl, wanna know your location. What's your location? Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. Bea. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you.
Hi guys. My 32 hours layover in Seychelles is over, and I'm sad because why wouldn't I love to be on an island? But I have to head back to Doha. So I'm done with my makeup, I'm done with my hair, I'm just going to wear my uniform. My pickup time is in 20 minutes. So yeah guys, I'm literally running very late. I have to go. I'll catch you guys in Doha, and hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Thank you very much. Bye.
Number one bad girl, killing everything like on a mission. Girl on a mission. Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out.